The future isn't coming. It's already here. These 20 insane futuristic gadgets will make you question if we're still living in 2025 or already in 2050. Huawei Mate XT. The Huawei Mate XT is breaking every rule of smartphone design. This mind-bending triple-folding beast unfolds into a massive 10.2-inch OLED LTPO display, thinner than most tablets, just 0.14 inches thick. It's not a concept, it's real. A commercially available powerhouse that turns heads everywhere. Huawei just proved that the future of smartphones isn't flat. It's folding in three. Vital Things Somnify. Meet Vital Things Somnify, the contactless sleep guardian redefining healthcare tech. This advanced system monitors your sleep, air pressure, humidity, and breathing, all without touching you. From light to deep and REM sleep, it builds a complete health profile while you rest. No wires, no wearables. Just pure, invisible innovation watching over your well-being every night. Nomdic R150. The Nomdic R150 turns any wall or ceiling into your personal cinema. This pocket-sized projector delivers a stunning 100-inch display with vibrant visuals. No bulky setup needed. With up to 4 hours of movie playback or 7 hours of music, it's built for travel, outdoor fun, or off-grid adventures. Compact, powerful, and futuristic, it's like carrying a movie theater in your hand. Gulu. The Gulu Pet FaceTime camera takes pet bonding to a whole new level. Featuring a sharp 1080p HD camera and a 90 Hz pet-friendly display, it lets you see, talk, and interact with your furry friend anytime. Whether you're at work or miles away, Gulu keeps your pet company 24/7, turning separation into a live, loving connection. Boop. Meet Boop, the tiniest gadget making a massive impact on remote work. This sleek 3-button controller gives you instant command over your mic, camera, and screen share. No more fumbling during meetings. Each tactile button is built for speed and focus, turning chaos into control. It's so simple, it's genius. One press and your whole workflow changes. Toll Visual X VR Glasses, the Toll. Visual X VR glasses redefine what virtual reality feels like. Weighing just 190 grams, they deliver a 4.5K resolution and a 360-degree panoramic view that looks shockingly real. Designed for comfort and immersion, you can game, explore, or create for hours without fatigue. Lightweight, powerful, and ultra-clear, it's like stepping directly into another world. Framework Laptop. The Framework Laptop 16 isn't just a laptop. It's a revolution in your hands. Designed for gamers, creators, and developers, this powerhouse lets you upgrade, swap, or repair every key component with ease. Its magnetic modular design gives you full control over performance and future-proofing. No more being stuck with outdated tech. This machine evolves with you. One X Player G1. The One X Player G1 is a handheld console built for true power junkies. This compact beast delivers desktop-level gaming and productivity in the palm of your hand. Designed for both play and work, it balances performance and portability like never before. Whether you're crushing AAA games or editing on the go, the G1 proves that real power now fits in your pocket. Looking Glass Portrait. The Looking Glass Portrait isn't just a screen, it's a window into another dimension. This mind-blowing holographic display brings your photos, videos, and 3D creations to life in full depth and motion. Perfect for artists, designers, and filmmakers, it transforms flat media into stunning 3D storytelling. No VR headset, no setup, just pure futuristic magic in front of your eyes. OBSBot Tiny 2. The OBSBot Tiny 2 is the webcam that feels alive. With stunning 4K resolution and AI-powered tracking, it locks onto you flawlessly, no matter how much you move. Perfect for streaming, meetings, or content creation, it even offers pan, tilt, and zoom control for pro-level shots. Say goodbye to boring static videos. This smart camera keeps you center stage every time. Move Speedlight Pro. The Move Speedlight Pro is the ultimate power beast for the off-grid world. Packing a massive 80,000 milliamp hours, 296 watt-hours battery, it keeps your phones, laptops, and cameras running anywhere. With a 130-watt output and real-time digital display, you'll always know your power levels. Whether camping, road tripping, or facing an emergency, this portable powerhouse never lets you go dark. Fantic W10 Apex. The Fantic W10 Apex Turbo Light is a mini chainsaw with monster power. Fueled by a 2,500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, it slices through wood like butter, up to 135 cuts per charge. With Type-C fast charging that hits 80% in just 30 minutes, this compact beast handles heavy-duty yard work with ease. Small, sleek, and unstoppable. It's the pocket chainsaw from the future. Lido. Meet Lido, the ultra-slim wearable that's changing communication forever. At just 0.55 inches thin, this futuristic walkie-talkie badge keeps you connected without bulky gear. Its smart ring controller lets you talk, send voice messages, or drop GPS pins, completely hands-free. Whether you're climbing, biking, or on a mission, Lido keeps your world connected with a simple gesture. ROG-XG. The ROG-XG Mobile is a compact gaming monster that shatters limits. Powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 GPU, it delivers insane ray tracing, AI upscaling, and next-gen acceleration for gaming and 3D rendering. Don't be fooled by its size. This tiny beast turns your laptop into a full-blown gaming powerhouse. Portable, powerful, and absolutely jaw-dropping. No Worries Gas Timer. The No Worries Gas Timer is the safety gadget every home needs. With an 80,000 BTU auto shutoff system, it prevents gas leaks, flameouts, and overcooking like a pro. Perfect for grills, fire pits, and patio heaters, it automatically cuts off gas when things get risky. Compact yet powerful, it's your invisible guardian against kitchen and outdoor disasters. Cooper Cooler. The Cooper Cooler is every party lover's dream come true. This rapid beverage chiller can cool cans, bottles, or wine in minutes. No waiting, no fuss. Using an innovative ice and water system, it drops temperatures fast with just one touch. Whether it's soda, beer, or champagne, your drinks are always ice cold and ready to serve. Say goodbye to warm drinks forever. Switch Lens. The Switch Lens turns your smartphone into a professional camera powerhouse. Built with a micro 4/3 CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 21 megapixel RAW photos and shoots 4K at 120 frames per second with cinematic precision. Every frame bursts with sharp detail and lifelike color. Whether you're vlogging, traveling, or creating art, Switch Lens makes your phone a filmmaker's weapon. Open Rock Bluetooth. The Open Rock Bluetooth 5.3 earbuds redefine wireless freedom. With an insane 60-hour playtime, these over-ear beasts keep your music alive for days. Built for workouts, travel, or all-day use, they deliver deep bass, crisp highs, and crystal-clear calls without interruptions. Durable, powerful, and endlessly immersive. These aren't just earbuds, they're your ultimate sound weapon. Dusk. The Dusk smart sunglasses are where classic style meets futuristic tech. With electrochromic lenses, you can instantly adjust tint levels with a tap. No delays, no glare. Whether you're under the blazing sun or indoors, Dusk gives you full control over your vision. Sleek, smart, and stunning. These aren't just sunglasses, they're a glimpse into the future of eyewear. Kensington Studio Dock. The Kensington Studio Dock is the ultimate power hub for Apple lovers. Supporting up to 3 4K monitors at 60 Hz, it transforms your workspace into a command center. Powered by Thunderbolt 4, it delivers blazing fast 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds for next-level productivity. Sleek, efficient, and built for pros. This dock doesn't just connect your devices, it supercharges your entire setup. The future is unfolding faster than ever. And these gadgets prove it. From AI wearables to smart home tech, 2025 is packed with innovation you can actually own. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insane future tech.